Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. As you can see by the title above, today I'm going to be opening some Happy Mail with you guys. I got this box of goodies from Alicia. She is a subscriber of mine and she had emailed me telling me she was going to send me a box of goodies. And you guys, this box is amazing. It screams Easter, spring, and her letter was just the sweetest, most thoughtful letter I have read ever. It almost made me feel a little bit emotional that sometimes you guys write me the most sweetest things. And you guys, I did go through this box because I'm super impatient, but there's a few things that I didn't open up all the way just because I wanted to open it on camera, or on film. And yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. This is what the box looks like. So what I'm going to do is what I do with all my swaps is that I usually take out everything from the box and I put it on my desk and we'll go through it. So let me show you like that what the box looks like, and then I'm gonna just move it over and take everything out. So this is her letter, which I read and I absolutely loved. So Alicia, if you're watching, I loved my letter. Just the time that you took to put this box together is amazing. Everything in the box that she sent me, you guys, is basically inspired by my channel. She's been watching me for quite some time and it's just, she's been crafting with me, you guys. So it's a box that is more special to me than any gifts because she created a bunch of these things and that's awesome. So we have these. I love all the crinkle paper. That's like all Easterish. She wrapped up some goodies. Cute little, like a little egg carton. How cute is that? She made some clips for me. Some butterfly little clips here. She sent me candy, which wifey already called dibs on because she loves her some candies. She wrapped up a bunch. See, these little ones I didn't open up, so I'll open them up with you guys. And you guys, look how cute this is. Oh, there's another little gift right here. Let me just move this box. Here's another little gift that I didn't open. So I'll just probably save this for last, but look how cute this is, you guys. All right. You guys are amazing, I'm telling you. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I received a bunch of mail yesterday, you guys, but I've been super busy and I haven't been able to open them up or like on video. I take pictures of stuff because there's just not enough time in the day to just film every little thing that I get. So I've been trying to, like, especially entries for the giveaway, I've been trying to post on my Instagram everything that you guys send me. So look at all this yumminess, you guys. Doesn't this look amazing? So she sent me this super cute notepad and it says, I need coffee. I'm totally gonna put this on my fridge. I love this. Wifey loves coffee. I love coffee. So this is cute to write little notes. She put little stickers on it. So she sent me that. This cute little egg carton, you guys. Look at this. She put this little bunny. She hung these little foam eggs from right there. And then when you open it up, you guys, look how cute this is. Isn't this the cutest idea ever? These cute little chickie eggs, but you guys, it gets better. She filled the eggs with a bunch of different things. Like here's like a little Oreo egg. And then in this one, she put a washi tape. Like how fun is this to like gift a pen pal? Look at that. She put some like twine in here. Every little egg has like a little goodie for you. In here, she put a bunch of little gems. I absolutely love this idea. And then look at this one. This one, oops, I don't want to spill anything, has little die cuts. She has little Maggie Home die cuts in here for me. How cute is that? The little floral ones. And then in this one, I think it's, yep, candy. Look at that. How fun is that? You guys, how cute is this idea? I love this, and I think I might do this if I decide to swap for Easter. I like this because I do have some of these little egg cartons. I love the pink one. I don't have it in pink. You guys know that pink is my favorite color. And then we have this little packet right here. And I'm trying not, I don't want to rip the top part. So we're going to open this way. And this is like a cute little, what do you call these? I did these little pocket things. This was one of like my first videos. And she gave me some sequins packs. You can never go wrong with sequins. Look at this. So she gave me some of those. And then in here, she put little pieces of ephemera. Look at that. You guys know I love me some ephemera. Cute little carrot. This is like that powder candy. Yummy. Not sharing. And look at this clip, you guys. How cute is that? And yeah, it's like these little pockets where you fill them up. I don't remember what I called these. Yeah, I think it's just like little pockets. But this was one of my first videos when I started my channel. So that's awesome that she tried it out. It came out super cute. Look at that little pom-pom trim she used. She decorated the bag. She made her own little bag topper. She put a cute little clip here. Love it. Then we have this cute little gift right here. And I'm going to move a little. Well, maybe I should open it through here. You guys know I will be saving that cute little chipboard piece. Look at that. Or wood veneer. It says flirt. So cute. Love this wrapping paper. And here we have some washi. Oh, how cute. Oh, it's coffee washi. I don't have this one. It says, but first, coffee. How cute is that? And this is from Hobby Lobby. It's from the Paper Studio. Thank you. I love it. And then there's this one. She put a cute little swan chipboard, which I will be saving. Let me see if I can take it off this way. It's such an awesome box, Alicia. I'm telling you. I know that you probably got my email. So cute and fun. Oh, I see Maggie Holmes. She sent me some other Maggie Holmes stuff too, because that one I did see. But this one I didn't. Oh my gosh. She sent me another pack. Let me get my scissors. Of the sequence mix. You guys know I posted a video that I couldn't find that anywhere. And now I have a second one. Look, you guys. Yay! Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because now I can use one and hoard one. You guys know me. And then I showed you the little butterfly clips. Look at these. How cute. Oh, this is awesome. Look at these. She made these. You know, I will not be tearing into these and I will be putting these away. I love to save all the artwork that you guys send me. I don't like to use my embellishments at all. I like to save them and then like every now and then I'll pull them all out and start staring at them and going through them. I love them so much. Thank you for that, Alicia. They're beautiful. I will be saving that one as well. She sent me a Lip Pops lollipop, which is like a little, kind of like a ring pop. And then she made me some rosettes. Look at that. Super pretty. And then let's open up this one. This is the one that I did kind of sneak a peek. And it's the Maggie Holmes. I think it's the cards. Yeah, the cards. Yep. From the Carousel collection. So now I have doubles of these. So I won't feel so bad to open it up and use them. Those are all the ones you get. Thank you. I love it. I appreciate it. And then in here, she just put a bunch of little goodies. She made me like frames. There's little die cuts. Super cute. And then she gave me a little chocolate bar with like Snoopy on it. And then in here, I think these are like little washcloths. Let's open them up. Like Easter washcloths. Or like a little, oh no, it's like a kitchen towel. How cute is that? This will be going on my stove. Thank you so much, Alicia, for that. I love it. And then you guys, look at this. How interesting is this? She used like some packaging. And then it's like she decorated the whole cover. She put me a little card here with a little note. And then inside here, she put like an envelope. Like a stuffed envelope. Look at that. Now I didn't go through that. I love this. Look how cute. Like the way she had it tucked in here so it wouldn't get like messed up. This was such a cool idea. And then this is what the stuffed envelope looks like. And let's see what we have in here. Because I did not go through any of this stuff. I wanted to save it for the video. So we have the first little envelope. A little packaging that looks like this. I love how she used all her washi. In here, she put me a bunch of tags. Look at these. There's some little diamond ones with glitter. We have these little acetate ones. All different kinds. And then some hand cut ones that she did with different papers. I love tags because you can add these in tag flips. Oh, I love that paper. That is nice. Oh, polka dots. I love this paper. Those are like my colors. That's like so me. So we're going to put those back here because I don't want to lose anything. Cute little tags. And I want to take a picture of this because I didn't take a picture of the goodies inside. Look at that. Here she put me some Project Life cards. A little ephemera piece. Look at these. You guys, I haven't used Project Life cards in such a long time and I have so many. I went through a phase where I used to just buy a whole bunch of packs and now I barely even use them. Does that happen to anybody else? So that's this little packaging, and then we have this one, which is the bigger one out of all of them. And she made this super cute little like rosette style, but it's like made out of foam. Look at that. How cute is that? It's different and unique and I love it. And then we have this cute little, like, what is it, like a pinwheel? But it's little bunnies. That is so cute. And then, what else we have here? Let me take these stuff out. So we have a little wood veneer that says Happy Easter. So cute, and like a mint green. She gave me some of those bunnies. Look how cute. Oh, I love them. These are so cute. And they're pink. And then she gave me some cute little cards. Like a little note card. It says, "Hi, I'm thinking of you." And it's a cute little bunny. And then some Easter stickers. How fun is this package, you guys? Oh my gosh. If you are watching, thank you so much, Alicia. I absolutely loved it. It totally made my March just the way you wanted. I appreciate every little thing and I'm going to put everything to use. Thank you so much for the package. I hope you got my email. And yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for being so amazing to me all the time. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.